Atkins Civil 3D Video Series, General 3, Survey Control and Stationing. This video illustrates A. Construction Survey Control, B. Stationing and Dimensioning, and C. Right-of-way and Easement Dimensions. On fairly large projects, a separate survey control and stationing drawing is prepared. Survey control points, currently shown in blue on the drawing, are set at permanent locations that will be used throughout the project for the horizontal and vertical control in the construction of all improvements to the lines and grades shown on the various construction drawings. The stations, dimensions, and other data required for the horizontal location of the road improvements are shown on the drawing, which greatly reduces the clutter of the road improvement drawing. The stations and dimensions of the right-of-way and easements are also shown on the drawing. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.